Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to today's story. Ella the elephant and the stuck swing. Ella was a young elephant who lived in the jungle with her family and friends. She had big ears, a long trunk, and a happy heart. Ella loved to play, especially on her favorite swing, a tire swing hanging from a tall tree. One sunny morning, Ella ran to the swing, but something was wrong. Oh no, she cried. The swing is stuck on a high branch. She tried to jump, but elephants can't jump very high. She shook the tree with her foot. Nothing happened. She even tried blowing air with her trunk. Still no swing. I need help, said Ella. She walked to find her friends. First, she saw Milo the monkey swinging from vines. Milo, can you help? Ella asked. Milo climbed the tree quickly. Let me try, he said. He pulled and tugged, but the swing was tied too tight. Next, Ella and Milo found Tina the tiger. Tina, can you jump up to get the swing? Ella asked. Tina leaped high, but not high enough. Then they found Gina the giraffe. Gina, you have a long neck. Can you reach it? Gina stretched her neck way up, but the swing was still just out of reach. Ella sat down and sighed. What do we do now? Then Milo said, Wait, Ella, you have the strongest trunk in the jungle. What if you pull from the bottom while we push from the top? Ella's eyes lit up. That might work. So Milo climbed up. Gina stood tall and helped balance the swing. Tina gave a boost with her paws. Ella grabbed the rope with her trunk. 1, 2, 3, pull! Snap! The swing dropped gently back into place. We did it! Everyone cheered. Ella smiled wide. Thank you, friends. We made the best team. From that day on, all the animals played on the swing together. And Ella learned that asking for help and working as a team can solve big problems. Thank you for watching the story, kids. If you like this story, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy this story. Want to hear more fun stories and rhymes? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching, kids. Take care.